In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite on Calendly. Whether you're coordinating meetings, scheduling interviews, or planning events, Calendly is an incredibly user-friendly tool designed to streamline your scheduling process. By learning how to invite others to your events on Calendly, you'll save time, avoid the back and forth of email scheduling, and ensure everyone involved is on the same page. If you're new to Calendly, you'll find a registration link in the description below to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Calendly website to access the platform. Once you're there, if you already have an account, locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page to make the process quick and seamless. Choose the Continue with Google option. This not only speeds up the login process, but also integrates your Google Calendar with Calendly, helping you manage your schedule more effectively. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Select the one you want to use for scheduling. It's important to choose the right Google account here, as this ensures that the correct calendar is synchronized with Calendly and aligns perfectly with your existing agenda. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. Now, Calendly will request permission to access your Google account. This is an essential step as it allows Calendly to check your availability and prevent double bookings across your events. Simply grant the necessary permissions, and you'll be directed to your Calendly dashboard. From here, navigate to the Event Types section. This is where you can view all your existing event types or start creating a new one. For today's tutorial, let's assume you already have an event type set up. Locate the event type you want to invite people to and click on the small cogwheel icon next to it. This will open up the settings menu for that specific event. Once in the settings, look for the option labeled Edit Permissions and click on it. This is where you'll manage who can be invited to your event. To invite participants, simply type in their names or email addresses. Make sure the details are accurate so the invitations reach the correct individuals without any issues. Taking a moment to double-check this step can save time later on. After entering all the necessary names or email addresses, click Apply to finalize the list of invitees and update the event permissions. Once this is done, your event is set up to accommodate the people you've just added, and they will receive the proper invitations. And that's it. You now know exactly how to invite others to your events in Calendly. From logging in to managing permissions, we've covered every step to make your scheduling process smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or tips about using Calendly, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.